Ito, hot issue to ngayon eh. You know that moment when you scroll sa feed mo, tapos puro happy mansari, to my forever, tapos ikaw wala, naka-private, naka-secret love affair. So, tanong ng bayan, required bang i-post ang partner mo? Actually, depende. Kung genuine love, hindi kailangan ng public validation. Pero kung ayaw ka talagang i-post, bakit parang secret mission ang relationship ninyo? So, let's be real. Hindi mo kailangang ipakita sa buong mundo para mapatunayan na mahal mo siya. Pero kung ayaw kanyang i-post kahit isang hands at table pic man lang, baka hindi privacy yan. Baka hidden strategy. Kasi may difference Privacy is protecting your peace. Secrecy is protecting themselves from being caught. Kung love ka talaga, hindi mo kailangang ipilit ang public display. Pero mararamdaman mo rin kung proud siya sa'yo. Yung kahit walang post, ramdam mong ikaw pa rin yung caption ng puso niya. Ang mahalaga, consistent, respectful, at hindi ka pinapa-feel na option. Kasi kung gusto ka niyang i-post, pero ikaw yung close friend only, ay, besh, may something wrong. Posting is a choice, but claiming is responsibility. Pwede namang low-key, basta hindi no-key at all. So, required bang i-post ang partner mo? Hindi. Pero required na iparamdam niyang hindi ka secret. Kasi love should feel safe. Hindi parang undercover operation. At kung sinasabi niyang gusto ko lang ng private relationship, sabihin mo, okay lang. Pero sana hindi ako kasama sa mga tinatago mo. So, tandaan, privacy and secrecy is totally different. Yung privacy, peace. Yung secrecy, tinatago ka. Baka kasi may makakita or makaalam. So, alamin nyo yung difference. Maramdaman mo naman yun eh. So, if your instinct say something, then follow it. Confront your partner. Why? So ciao. Be good.